Hi everyone, Megan here from Guys Custom Woodworking, and I'm here to tell you about our glazing process. We start out by spraying our door with a high quality lacquer. For those of you who don't know, lacquer is a type of wood finish that is available in a variety of colors or in clear. The finish can range from ultra matte to high gloss. Lacquer is an ideal coating for wood because it produces a hard, durable finish. Once the lacquer has had time to fully cure, we move on to the glaze. The edges and front face of the door get almost fully coated. It's important to coat the edges really well so they can be defined in the finished product. Once the coat has been applied, the glaze simply gets wiped off with a microfiber cloth. For a clean and finished look, we wipe the door multiple times to remove any excess glaze to ensure that no streaks are remaining. To achieve that final glazed look, the glaze needs to reach inside of the wood grains, edges, and grooves. This process really accentuates the architectural details of the cabinets. Typically, the glaze should be darker than the lacquer, and you'll want to be sure that the two colors not only complement one another, but also your backsplash, countertops, floors, and appliances. Glazing is normally thought of as a more traditional style, but it can really add depth, interest, and a nice pop to your cabinets. Although glazing is a matter of personal taste, it will make the room warmer, homier, and add a dramatic element to your kitchen. Here you can see our finished product, which is made out of red oak. It is coated with a light gray lacquer with a black glaze to bring out all of those gorgeous details. So what are you waiting for? Give Guys Custom Woodworking a call to schedule a free estimate. Why do it yourself when you can have Two Guys do it for you? That's Guys Custom Woodworking, located in Poplar Bluff, for all of your custom cabinetry needs.